Why didn't you file for bankruptcy protection? That was one of many questions that elderly residents asked leaders of the nonprofit that's forcing them out of their homes. That nonprofit is Family Service of Rochester, and their home is the Northfield in Fairport. Family Service only let our cameras in after the meeting was over, but I got my hands on an audio recording of it. Family Service of Rochester is dead broke, and it told residents to be out in less than 2 weeks. And those seniors' hurt and anger was on full display. It was a meeting of mourners, mourning a lost home, lost jobs, lost friends. The Northfield manager sobbed in the arms of resident Barbara Weeks, both providing comfort to the other in a situation neither can control. All here blame the Family Service Board of Directors for allowing the organization's financial struggles to become a crisis.
Why didn't they address this a couple years ago? If they had to raise rent, they had to raise rent. But at least we had an option back then. We don't have any options right now.
News 10 NBC obtained an audio copy of Monday's meeting. Board members for Family Service of Rochester were asked why they didn't reorganize under bankruptcy protection. Board member Jean Lowe responded, "We don't have the financial resources to hire a bankruptcy attorney to file for bankruptcy."
I found that odd because any entity filing for bankruptcy is in financial trouble. So is that a legitimate excuse?
No, that is a red flag. There are attorneys out there that can provide services for a bankruptcy proceeding, and they can be paid, in a restructuring plan at the end.
And bankruptcy protection may have provided options to stay open. But bankruptcy has its downsides. The company has to go to court and open the books.
When you file for Chapter 11, you have to give notice to your creditors, and you have to provide financial documents. Not wanting to go through that process is concerning because it makes them seem like they have something to hide. Whether or not that's true, that's certainly the impression that they're giving.
There's no doubt at least 2 creditors would be in line demanding their money. Waste Management won a judgment against Family Service in May for more than $6,600. And in 2023, Medical Staffing New York sued the nonprofit as well. The unpaid debt, more than $15,000. In the meantime, staff at the Northfield are scrambling to help their soon-to-be homeless residents.
There's still no plan in place for them. And there's a lot of people still left, probably over 30 people here, that still haven't found a home.
Now, residents pressed board members about what will happen to seniors who can't find housing by July 25th. And Jean Lowe finally said they'd be forced into places they don't choose, and that could include shelters. Now, over the past several weeks, I've sent Family Service countless emails, and it stopped answering them. The nonprofit's website has also been taken down. Clearly, this is a situation that we will continue to follow.